mabuhay, maayo po to sa tanan akong followers, viewers, and supporters. Guys, this is Alexi Fernandez ng Davao City. Na ako sa Free House Davao, Agdaw Vlogs. Maninto ko din guys. Actually guys, ang ilahang per head is 289 pesos na. Dagan kayo silang ko. Of course, di mawala ang rice. Then, nasa chinay pork ribs. Wow, I love this one. This is pork ribs. Nasa sila'y pansit. Nasa sila'y chop suey. Chicken chop suey. Nasa sila'y chicken adobo. This is also one of my favorite.